the Philippine National Anthem.
Tayo'y magbigay pugay at sabay-sabay natin awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Bayang magiliw, parang silanganan, alay ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, luyan ka ng magiti, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at mundo, sa simoy at sa langit mong bukaw, may ilagang tula at awit, paglayang minamahal, ang isat ng watawat, may tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan, ang may magdigilim, lupa ng araw ng luwan, ating pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
We have come to this very day, in this very place as graduates, awaiting the confirmation to be recognized as fully equipped graduates whose knowledge and experiences which he has gained deemed him responsible and well capable enough of making it into what we call the world of adults. The knowledge embedded on us through years in this institution, although inadequate in most aspects, are enough to equip us with the basic of weapons to fend ourselves in our lives as adults. And although it doesn't necessarily change lives, because theoretically, there are many more factors that are involved in changes, and a single factor cannot change something without collaborating it with other factors to produce a dramatic result. But this is enough to give us something to work with, to prepare us to become pillars of tomorrow. On behalf of the graduating class, faculty and staff, the administration, it is with great honor and pride and privilege to welcome you all to the 36th commencement exercise.
The class valedictorian will now deliver her address of petition.
Indeed, high school has taught us that competition is never a barrier to friendship. Our encounters in high school have given us a fuel that increased our burning desire to reach our goals in life. Lastly, Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. High school made us realize how even more fulfilling it is to attain success after several defeats, to attain perfection after several corrections, and to reach the end of the finish line after conquering several obstacles.
Mr. Anthony Jose Moran Tamayo, President, University of Perpetual Health System Delta, I have the honor to present to you the 147 candidates for graduation of the Business High School and the 132 candidates for graduation of the regular high school who have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements for the secondary course prescribed by the Department of Education and the high school department of the University of Perpetual Health System Delta, and who, upon the recommendation of the faculty, may now be conferred their secondary certificates.
By the powers vested in me by the Department of Education and by the Board of Directors of the University of Perpetual Health System Delta, I now confer upon you your secondary certificates with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Let us all welcome, with a warm round of applause, the very charming Dr. Miriam Pestaño Gonzaga.
You don't have to be the brightest mind, the most outstanding talent, the most magnetic personality, or extra good-looking. Success comes to those who relentlessly chase success. Never forget this very day. This day marks an end and a beginning. But before anything else, enjoy your summer. Good day and happy graduation.
Jessamine Ruby Ado, the second honorable mention, will now deliver the address of thanks on behalf of the graduating class.
On behalf of the graduates of batch 2011, we would like to thank all the people who have accompanied us and supported us throughout these 4 long years in high school. Thank you very much, and may God bless us all.
As we leave the portals of our alma mater, we say, we are indeed grateful to her. So help me God.
Congratulations, alumni.
On behalf of the Board of Directors of the University of Perpetual Health System Delta, I accept you as high school graduates and as new members of the University of Perpetual Health System Alumni Association. Congratulations.